Good morning, everyone. I get asked, what do you eat in a day? All the time. So today I'm showing you what I eat in a day pregnant. I'm actually 20 weeks pregnant right now, getting big, halfway there, and I'm loving every minute of it. Thankfully feeling really good. So I'm gonna show you what I ate in a day pregnant, 20 weeks. Let's do it. Kids up and ready for school. They've already had some toast with butter, but we like to always make a smoothie in the morning and bring it in the car with us, and especially pregnant, it is super healthy to get in some nice spirulina, greens, great antioxidants from the berries, extra fiber from this F-Factor protein powder, which I love, and almond milk, because I don't love milk. I really just prefer almond milk in general. So I'm gonna make a smoothie for me and the girls. This is so thick and so good. And so creamy at the same time. The kids love it. And we've got these new cups recently for the kids, and I absolutely love them because they can bring them in the car. Nothing spills. They could even eat them on the couch. So this is kind of like our go-to. These cute little tops on. They're good to go. Off to school, friends. Hey, babes. What do you say? Thanks. You're welcome, babe. Chocolate spoonies. Cheers. Come, school time. Let's go. Shut it off. Come on. Come on. Wow. Good listening. Bring your smoothie in the car, babies, okay? You never listened to me the first time, I swear. All right, I'm gonna take my smoothie and run. Sometimes I'll have a coffee first thing in the morning. While pregnant, I kind of switch things up a little bit, and I usually do my coffee later in the afternoon, and I'm usually more into iced, which is weird. I never used to like iced. So at least been smoothie first. Off to school. We'll touch base soon when I'm eating next. La 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 la. Oh la dee, oh la da, ah la la la. Just dropped the kids off at carpool. Oh my God, am I tired today? Mike is actually out of town this week, so I have been mommying it up solo past couple days, and I'm just exhausted. But let me show you what I'm going to make for breakfast. It's 8:30, had my smoothie at about 7 o'clock. It's 8:30 now, so I'm going to get my actual breakfast on now that I have some time to prepare something delicious for myself. Check it out. I happen to be a really random person. Every morning I'm in the mood for something completely different, and I'm the same way with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I always want something different depending on my mood. So today I was feeling some scrambled eggs, which is so good for pregnancy, and I've been loving it with some Parmesan, so I'm gonna throw some Parmesan in there. I have some leftover roasted Brussels sprouts from meal prep the other day. These have been like my pregnancy obsession, these pickled sliced pepperoncini. They're not spicy, but they're just very tangy and acidic, and they're like the best pregnancy craving in the world. So I've been putting those in everything lately. And I have a half an avocado left over from yesterday, so I figured I was just gonna throw it in there. So let me get this going. And I'll show you this real quick. So easy and so good. Bam, there you have it. I'm just topping it off with a little extra parm because you can never go wrong. I hit it with some salt, little crushed red pepper flakes. This all looks so fancy, but this is literally taking me 2 minutes. And then pepperoncini, which I don't think you could have too much of, personally. Good. I've been having this on everything this entire pregnancy. Like, this is the epitome of this third pregnancy. Pepperoncini. All right, I'm gonna take this over to my desk. I'll start getting some work in, and I'll see you in like 2 minutes when I'm ready for a snack. Cool. Honestly, wouldn't be as good without these pepperoncinis. I'm telling you, get yourself a little jar of them and eat them whether you're pregnant or not. So good. It took no time. Already finished my breakfast and still banging out some emails over here. I don't know where my throat is going today. But I'm desperate for my coffee now. I'm just so stinking tired. Normally I'll do it at like 11 o'clock when I need a little pick-me-up, but I've been working till about 12:30 every night, waking up at like 6, and this mama needs her full 9 hours, so oh my God. So let's go make some coffee, and then I'm gonna get back to my work. All right, when it comes to coffee, this Breville machine has been my absolute favorite machine for the past 3 years. It makes me happy, and I just get happier every single time I use it, every day. I'm obsessed with it. So I'm gonna make coffee in there, and then I froth my milk in this little frother, which is just the greatest thing ever. I just have some almond milk in there. I always put in some collagen. I use a Shore Magic collagen, which is the purest, cleanest, just the best quality collagen I've found. And a little bit of F Factor protein and fiber powder, because it not only adds chocolate flavor, which makes it kind of like a mocha, but it also sweetens it in a natural way because it's sweetened with, what's it called again? Monk fruit extract. And has like 20 grams of fiber for 2 scoops. I usually do like 1 scoop because it's a little excessive, but do what you gotta do. So let's make some coffee. For the most beautiful moment of the day, look at this. First of all, frothy fluffy, which is due to that F Factor powder plus that Shore Magic collagen that I love. Just look how rich and fluffy that is. It's just crave worthy. That's why I usually try to wait for my coffee for when I'm craving something sweet and cozy and comforting. Look at this, a thick, yummy cup of coffee. Sometimes I'm more in the mood for iced pregnancy, craving wise, but today I was in the mood for hot. You just never know what you're gonna get. All right, back to work. Okay, I moved over to the couch because my leg was hurting. I have these varicose veins that are super annoying. So way more comfortable on the couch with my leg elevated. Super fun, super hot. But munching on a little popcorn. The girls and I had a little movie night last night. I just filled up a small bowl of popcorn to keep it kind of light and healthy and to control the portion, and getting some water in. Can't forget to drink water throughout the day, and just keeping a glass filled is always a smart way to go about it. Okay, back to work again. I'm running out to run a few errands, taking a little break from work, and I'm not really that hungry for lunch right now, which never really happens, but I guess I had a late breakfast with those eggs. So I just have string cheese and an apple, taking it with me, and then I'll have a full dinner later tonight. I just ran a whole bunch of errands, and now I'm on my way to go pick up the girls from school, but I was craving a little juice, just a little pick-me-up. So I got this really yummy carrot, beet, I think it's apple, yum. Just like a really yummy, refreshing juice. And I also got 2 little chocolate peanut butter bonbons to surprise the girls after school. Hey Joe, look what I got you. I have a special treat. It's a yummy chocolate peanut butter bonbon. Yay! What do you say? You're so welcome. They told me they're the yummiest ones in the whole store. How is it? It's good, right? It's vegan. Did you hold the tortoise today? I love your face. Did you wash your hands since you held the tortoise, I hope? You did? I love you. Is that good? That's what I got. I got like that orange juice. Want to try it? No. You happy with your chocolate peanut butter? Cool. I love you. You're the best. So, it's not just about what I eat during the day. What we all eat. We're feeding our little fishies. The girls.
I saw him.
You saw him?
I got my fishy.
Oh my gosh, we just got new fishies from a birthday party the other day.
Fishy.
It was our first time feeding
They're
him.
the baddest girl in the world.
Why, he's not eating?
He didn't eat his peas, and now he's not eating his fishy food.
Aw, give him some time.
He's so bad and horrible. I want a new fishy.
Hello. Give him some time, okay? And while the kids are keeping themselves occupied for a few minutes, I just threw together this quick pizza from a meal prep, and I was able to get my photo for it for a recipe test. It's coming. Okay, gotta go. Okay, mom duty here. Getting in a quick dinner. I'm actually starving tonight, so I'm having some of this pizza. It's on a nice thin whole wheat crust.
And mommy made me bread.
Super excited about it. You're also having broccoli pizza, and Jolie, you're having a plain pizza.
And I did my nails.
We are doing our nails, we are doing homework, we are doing all the mom things. The day is almost over. I'm eating one of these, kind of like my guilty pleasure. It's so good. No, this is mommy snack. You just had a ton of snacks. It's so good. I call it a guilty pleasure just because it's kind of caloric. It's like 200 calories, but 12 grams of protein. Oh boy. Mine. Hey you guys, so it's a little after 8. The kids are asleep, thank goodness. I am so exhausted. I need to call it an early night. We should have finished up a little bit more work here on the couch, a little bit more to do. And I usually end my night with a LaCroix. So good, so satisfying. I usually have like one a night. Love them. And if I do get a late night craving, I usually go for a can of Hearts of Palms. That's been like my pregnancy late night craving, which is a nice healthy one at least. But I'm definitely not hungry tonight because I ate a heck of a lot today, as you saw. I just eat nonstop. I'm usually just nibbling all day long, and then on days when I'm actually meal prepping, I'm literally just taste testing and nibbling all day, so I don't even sit for a real meal. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was really fun for me to kind of show you what I kind of get through in a day. And yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see. I hope to do another one of these at some point soon. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and come check me out on Instagram at Prep and Rally to see even more behind the scenes of everything I do in a day, including eating, all of my stories. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.